What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video. If you're new, as always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you haven't already, go watch the E30 video. I just posted it. It should be up here in the corner somewhere. I don't know. I'll put it up on the screen. And then, as always, it'll give you a link to it at the end of the video. Today, I'm going to be posting a vlog. It's a truck meet, like trucks and cars. A lot of the car meets got canceled because of the rain. However, on Cinco de Mayo, the truck community came out and it was pretty good. Honestly, I don't usually go to those, but I'm gonna go ahead and post this vlog. Whether you guys really want it or not, I'm gonna start posting videos. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. It's about the Beamer, bro.
Yeah, take video.
The one you gave your picture number. That girl that sent your trick ass.
Oh shit.
This is a letter sent from the homeboy car.
Reflected on my past as I puff on the blunt. Once upon a time, I was mama's little baby, still sipping on the bottle. I've been going through it lately. I was born in '86, been real ever since. It's dead before the sun. You gotta die for something. If I don't make it home, just know that I tried. You gotta stay strong, baby. Don't cry. I'ma get a
Oh damn, up on your cam, bro. Woohoo! Oh, the car people getting here now. Let's go. Oh, watch out. Oh shit, they over here burning now. What the fuck? I need about a part. Park sideways. Nah, bro. Chilling. Get up here. Let's stand right here. Alright guys, if you stayed to the end, I don't know, I think the truck community was kind of more popular than sometimes in the car community. So yeah, that vlog was cool. As always, if you're new, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. My name is Josh. I make F30 content, vlog content, and overall I just make some good content over here. So if you're enjoying the content, go hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.